This is a review of the VZNEK head strap replacement for the Oculus Quest 2. It does replace the ridiculously poorly designed headband that comes with the original Oculus Quest 2. Now to remove it, it's quite simple. I'm going to demonstrate it quick here. You simply just put a little bit of pressure here to snap them right off the sides there. You can see it comes out pretty easily, and then you simply remove this here, take out the strap, and now the new one is going to clip on pretty easy. Okay, now it's on. All you got to do is put this head strap on now. Just goes in here. It's made out of Velcro. And then you feed it in through here. Put this guy back on here. And there you go. Now you've got a super comfortable, you can see the padding here, super durable and adjustable headband that you can actually use and enjoy yourself while playing with the Oculus Quest. And it does have this wheel here that will adjust the fitting to the perfect size of your head. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who has Oculus Quest 2.